Here comes the invisible driver. He has no visible eyes, ears, or other visible senses.
But how possible is this? Without an eye, how can driving be possible?
AI makes this possible through self-driving cars, without a physical driver. These cars use millions of miles of driving data generated by AI-trained systems. Cameras act as the car's eyes, radars act as its senses, and AI acts as the brain, predicting what other drivers might do next, all within fractions of a second.
AI doesn't only operate on the roads, it is also transforming the skies.
Modern aircraft use AI-assisted autopilot systems to help pilots with navigation, weather prediction, and flight safety. Airlines even use AI to predict when aircraft parts might fail before they actually do. This is called predictive maintenance. Instead of waiting for a part to malfunction, AI warns engineers days or weeks earlier, this saving millions of dollars, preventing delayed flights and catastrophic situations.
Let's hover across the oceans, spotlighting the shipping ports and cargo ships. AI helps global shipping companies determine the fastest routes across oceans, safe paths around storms, and fuel-efficient speeds to utilize.
Some ports even use AI-powered cranes to load and unload cargo automatically. What once took hours, now takes minutes. Finally, back on the road, even public transportation is becoming smarter, making movement convenient and fun. AI analyzes passenger patterns to answer important questions like when do people travel the most and where should more buses be added. With this information, cities can redesign routes and schedules to move people more efficiently.
So the next time you travel, you may think humans are running the system.
But remember that behind the scenes, AI is quietly watching, learning, and optimizing every movement. From the road beneath your car to the sky above your head, artificial intelligence is becoming the invisible driver of the world's transportation system. And this is only the beginning. The future of transportation may not just be faster, it may be driven by intelligence that never sleeps.
So whether you are navigating an app,
Sitting in traffic jam for hours,
riding your favorite bus,
or boarding a plane across continents, know that you have an invisible driver called AI. What do you think? Let's interact on this channel by clicking subscribe.